Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So you can see that yesterday what happened, it opened flat, then taking continuously support here only, okay, consolidate when it going up. Then what happened, one strong candle come here and taken support here. Then you can see that within 3 candle you got very nice move. Okay, then also you can see that I will just shift this supporting area. It is resistance but it comes up. So what happened, it will now take as a supporting area. You have to buy up from here. You have got very bullish candle. This is, you have buy up till here. You have within 10 minutes you got very nice risk to reward. Okay, we can see next Nasdaq. Okay, you can see that I will just shift this line. Okay, you can see that here it come down. Okay, what I have told you, it come down, then it continuously taking support. This is the one of the strongest candle we have seen. Okay, this strong candle you have buy. So your first target will be this. You have exactly reached this target. What I have told you, if it comes in flow or taken support, you can go up till here. Okay, up till here only it taken come and achieve this target. Our first target will be this, second target will be this, and third target. 3 target we have achieved. Okay, in XPX you can see in XPX what happened. Okay, in XPX we have discussed that it will come down, so it will taking here a supporting area, then it taken here a very bullish candle, then it come up. Okay, it tends to coming up. Then what happened, it continuously taking here support, and whenever this breakout you have seen, you have to buy it. You can see that very bullish candle you have buy it until here. You can see that our first target will be here only. If you buy, you got a very nice. But in XPX it is very nice move what we have considered. Okay, we can see in BKX. Okay, banking sector. Okay, Nasdaq Bank Index. You can see that just I have shifted this line. You can see that from here only it come and taken a support here slightly upside. It taken a support, then continuously taken a rally and goes up. Here seller is very dominated, so it comes once again down. Here buyers come, once again seller come here, once again buyer taking it upside, then seller come taken it up till here. Okay, we can see next index Hgxxau. Okay, you can see that what we have told you, in if it will take resistance from here. Okay, it is not taken a properly resistance, so it continuously consolidate here, then come up, then you can make on a trend line. However, this break you can go up till this target. You have at least reached this target, then only sellers come, taken it down. This is W pattern made. If this candle break, you have buyed here up till, so you can see that you have reached at least this target. You got a very nice trade from Hgxxau also. We can see in AUX, you can see here price action. Okay, I will once again, this is a price action. You can see that this is a price action. However, this will break. You can see that how nicely it rallies. So this is the price action what I have told you. If you not seen this, you can go and check out my support resistance area and trend line area and patterns what I have discussed. Okay, this is the very nice trade what we have seen yesterday. Now we can see in FX. You can see that exactly from here only it taken a resistance. Okay, taken resistance. You have buy put, so you got very nice risk to reward. Then it continuously consolidate. Once again it breaks upside. Okay, yesterday very bullish market we have seen. It breaks, then you can see that whenever this is crossed, you have to buy here. You have buyed and your stop loss will be here. So you know that very small stop loss you got at least 1:3 or 4. This rally has been come within 45 to 1 hour, last 1 hour which market will be closing. Okay, now you can see in that RUA Russell 3000, you can see that it is continuously taken here only support. You can see that this bullish candle also, this is the one of the very nice candle. You have seen that it taken a support at least here only and goes up. Once again I will tell you, this is the line. However, this will breaks, you have to put a SL here and you can go for very nice. However, one red candle you not seen. Until that you can take it upside. Okay, you can see that very nicely rally, which is expected, not expected also. Okay, you can see that this is the W pattern. However, this break, you can see that continuously consolidate, then one big move have come. Okay, this is why this green candle is come. I will tell you one thing, because everybody, whoever bigger player, they know that here is your SL, they hit your SL, then take it upside. Okay, like this, they know that where the retail investors SL will be placed, so that SL will be hit and then goes up. Once again you have to enter here, but you have think that sellers will come and take down, but buyer is very strong, so they have sellers converted into buyer. That's why it goes very nicely. Okay, now we can see in Apple also. You can see that if it will take here support, you can go for first target and second target. It continuously consolidate until here only, then you can see that very nicely rallied you have seen here. Okay, in Microsoft, what I had told you, if it take here support, you can go for first target and second target. These two target our hit. Okay, now we can see for today how index will behave. Okay, so we can see for today what happened in index. Okay, in DJX we can see that if it open flat and take support, then your first target will be here. Okay, and second target will be this, and third target, this three target. If it open flats, okay, then it will act like a resistance from here. Your first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, these two target you can achieve. In Dow Jones, Nasdaq, we can see that okay, once again, okay, we can see that it act as a resistance. Okay, here you can see that it act as a resistance, and what we can see that this, if it will take here support, your first target will be this, second target and third target, these three target. Okay, in downside we can see that if it will come down, take a resistance, your first target will be this, second target and your third target, these three target in downside. Okay, in XPX, okay, in XPX you can see that it act as a now as a support. Okay, I will just shift this line. Okay, I will draw a resistance area now. Okay, this is the one of the resistance area. Now we can see that if it open flat taking resistance, your first target will be this, second target and this is your third target, these three targets. Okay, in upside you can go for uptake first target, second target, and third target. These three targets. Okay. In downside, we can see in BKX. Okay. In BKX, you can see that from here, this is act as a resistance only. Okay. So what we can see is that I will just okay. Now you can see that if it open flat, then it breaks it, then it takes support. The first target will be this, second target will be this. Okay. If it take a resistance from here, okay, then it open flat or take resistance from here, your first target will be this, second target will be this. Okay, these two targets. Okay, it act as a resistance. You can see that this is a resistance and this act as a supporting area, what we have previously mentioned. Okay, now I will just shift it slightly upside. Okay, this is, now we can see in Hgx. Okay, Hgx, you can see that this act as a support resistance area. Now it will cross and come take support, then your first target will be this, second target will be this. These two targets you can achieve in upside. Okay, I will just shift this line. This will act as a support now, and this act as a resistance. Okay, so I will just see in downside also. You can see that if it act as a resistance, then your first target will be here, second target, and third target. These three target you can go for. Okay, AUX. In AUX you can see that it act as a supporting area now. Okay, this is the supporting area. Okay, we can see in upside move, so it will continue from here. It is a first target here, and this is your second target. These two target you can achieve. What happened, once one thing more, if it will act as a resistance, your first target will be here. Okay, second target and third target and fourth target. This four target, and in upside also you can even go for third target too. Okay, I will just draw it. This is your third target too. Okay, in upside I will just shift this line. Okay, like this. Okay, in SOX you can see that it is very nicely rallied. So what, this is acting as a resistance. You can see that exactly here only it closed. Okay, I will just shift this line. Okay, you can see now what happened will be, you can see that if it will break, okay, take support, it will, your first target will be this, second target and third target. Okay, once again. Okay, this is your, if it takes support, first target, second target and third target. In downside you can see that if act as a resistance, here you go for your first target, and this is your second target, and this up till here only second target you can achieve. Awesome. Okay, in Russell 3000 you can see that this is act as a resistance. So what we can see is this is act as a supporting area. Okay, I will just shift this line. Okay, now what we can see is if it open flat, it will come here and take support. You can achieve first target. Okay, then your second target, this two target. Okay, if it will slowly come down or slightly gap down, it taken resistance, your first target will be this, second target and your third target. This is the three target in Russell. Okay, we can see in Tesla also. Okay, this is the Tesla's resistance area. So what we can see this, it will, we will just do what, we will shift this line. Okay, if we'll continue, so you can achieve up till here the target. I will just shift this line. You can see that if it takes support, then you can go for that target. In downside, you can see that if it come down, then you can achieve this target. Okay, your first target will be now here, this line. Okay, in Apple you can see that slightly what we have told that happens. So today's intraday view is our first target will be here only. Okay, from here it can take resistance from here up till here, then you can take another resistance, these two. Okay, in Microsoft you can see that in Microsoft it taken a support from here only, what I have told you. So what happened if it will break from here, you can go for your first target and second target. If it will not break and continuously consolidate, what you have to do is it will just touch this, then you can go for first target and this is your second target. Okay, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.